Hey guys, it's me, Julia. In this video, I'll be going over practice test 5, calculator section, question 29. So let's get started. So this will be a circle equations question. The equation above defines a circle in the xy plane. What are the coordinates of the center of the center of the circle? So right now we're given an equation. This doesn't show the center of the circle because usually you'll need to see something like this. This is the circle equation. And whatever equation you're given, it needs to follow this format in order for you to know where the center of the circle is. The center of the circle is shown by H and K. So this clearly isn't in this format, so we need to do that. And how would we do that? We will do that by doing this thing called completing the squares. So firstly, you would want to think of these two, the x's and y's separately. And you would want to make this. For x squared plus 20x, we want to make it x minus h to the power 2. So you just go backwards, right? And you need to think, whenever you get x minus h squared, then you know that it's going to be x squared minus 2hx plus h squared, right? And since there's 20x already, we know that it's going to be the negative 2hx is going to be 20. So that is going to be 10. The negative 2hx. The negative 2hx is going to be 10. Okay? And that would make sense because it's x squared positive 20x plus 100. So you might be wondering, where did the 100 go? Where did the h squared go? So we need to take that into account. We can't forget the 100. So what we're going to do is, instead of just writing it within the bracket, we're going to keep it next to the negative 20. So we're just going to add it there. Okay. Next, we're moving on to the y squared plus 16y, which is this part, and which is y minus k squared. So we're going to do the same thing, completing the squares by thinking about the negative 2ky. So the negative 2ky is going to be y plus 2ky needs to be 16y. 2k equals 16, y equals 8. So it's going to be 8 to the power 2. So to be 8. And we can't forget the 16, 8 times 8, or the k squared, which is 16. So we're going to add that here. And that will give us x plus 10 squared plus y plus 8 squared equals 96. I think that's right. Yep, wait, no, my bad. 144. I apologize. That was way off, wasn't it? Wait, hold on. Oh, excuse me, why is it 16? 64. Okay, that makes sense. 144. But in this case, you don't really need to know what this adds up to. 144. It's not asking for the radius. If you were to be looking for the radius, you would find the square root of this, which will be 12. And you can just write radius is 12. But in this case, you're looking for the x, the coordinates, right? And the coordinates can be found by, or the center of the circle can be found by HK, which is going to be, since you need to put it back to the original form, which is negative h and negative, wait, I apologize. It's going to be, you need to make it negative h. So that is going to be negative 10 and negative 8. Okay. Yeah. And you will get B. Thank you.